ADAS calibration to simplify and enhance the calibration process. Its mobility is unmatched, making it incredibly easy to move to the exact spot you need for calibration. The IA600 is capable of performing full system calibration for your ADAS. Equipped with a high-resolution 3D camera, the IA600 achieves pinpoint accuracy, capturing every detail and ensuring precise calibration within 1 minute. The IA600 guides you through the calibration process with step-by-step graphic instructions and allows for a quick alignment check. Its laser positioning guarantees perfect alignment. The IA600 offers wide vehicle coverage, ensuring it's the right tool for the job. Autel, Advanced Automotive Diagnostics.